In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Magic Eraser tool on Canva. If you love creating and editing images on Canva, you're in for a treat. The Magic Eraser is a handy feature that makes removing unwanted elements from your photos a breeze. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to master this tool. First off, open your web browser and go to canva.com. In the upper right corner of the page, you'll find the login button. Click there and sign in using your credentials. You have the option to log in with Google, Facebook, or by simply entering your email. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start working on your projects. Next, open the project you want to work with. This could be an existing design or something new you're planning to create. Once you have your project open, the first thing to do is select the photo you wish to edit. Click on it to bring it into the Canvas workspace. From here, navigate to the Tools section within the photo editor. This section is packed with various features to enhance your photos, and among them you'll find the Magic Eraser. Click to select this option from the Tools menu. Now, you have a couple of methods to choose from, tap or brush. These determine how you're going to erase the unwanted elements. If you choose tap, you can click directly on the object you want to remove. It's quick and efficient for smaller elements. Alternatively, use the brush method if you want more control. With this, you can outline the object you wish to erase. Simply move your cursor like a brush along the edges of the object. For precision, you might want to adjust the brush size. Canva provides a slider that allows you to fine-tune the size of your brush, giving you the flexibility to make precise edits, especially around more detailed areas. Once you've selected or outlined the object, it's time to erase. Tap the erase button and let Canva work its magic. The tool will process and remove the object from your photo, leaving behind a seamless background. After you're satisfied with the edits, it's important to save your work. You can save the edited photo directly to your Canva account or download a copy to your device for future use or sharing. And there you have it, you've just learned how to skillfully use the Magic Eraser in Canva. This tool is perfect for refining your images and making your designs pop by eliminating any distractions. Happy designing, and don't forget to explore more of Canva's incredible features to enhance your creative projects.